So guys, who's ready for a weekend getaway? I think we need it.
Absolutely. I always love spontaneous trips.
Well, I'm in, but we need to plan a bit. Where are we going?
I've been thinking about going to the mountains. It's been a while since we had an adventure like that.
That sounds perfect. I'm imagining us hiking through the trails already.
I'm just wondering how we're getting there. Do we have a car that fits everyone?
Last time we went on a trip like this, we rented a car. It worked out well. Yeah, that was great. I thought we might want to try something different this time. I will be fun if everyone's free.
Or we could take the car?
Oh, if we leave early, we will have plenty of time to explore. I will check the sunrise time.
I have always wanted to see the sunrise from the top of a mountain. It has been on my bucket list forever.
I have already picked my hiking boots. Just in case, you never know.
You know, I have been hoping we could do something like this for ages. I'm so glad it's finally happening. Same here. I had been planning to suggest this trip for weeks, but I wasn't sure if everyone would be up to it.
By this time tomorrow, I will be driving through the mountain. I can wait.
And by Saturday, we will be hiking those trails Jamie mentioned. It's going to be amazing, guys.
Alright, sounds like we are all set. I love how we all come together for this trip.
By the end of the weekend, we will have created some great memories. Let's make it happen.